you?
I'm fine too.
I'm also fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi Sumaya, good morning.
Hello Arobi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine too.
I'm also fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. What class do you study?
I study in class nursery. In what class do you study?
I study in class nursery. What is your school's name?
My school's name is Rashed Model School. What is your school's name?
My school's name is Rashed Model School. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Emtiaz Ahmed. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Biplop. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rushed. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Kakuli Akhtar.
What is your brother's name?
I'm sorry, I have no brother and sister. What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Tontro. What is your sister's name?
What is your sister's name?
I'm sorry, I have no sister.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Jalaluddin. What is your grandmother's name is?
My grandmother's name is Aminata. What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Maseda. What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a doctor in my future life. What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a doctor in my future life. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
See you again.
Talk to again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.